Hey everyone, it's AppTap. In this video, I will show you how to find the videos you have shared on Facebook. The steps are very simple and very quick, so let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your Android or iPhone. If you are using a computer, you can also go to facebook.com in your browser. Alright, let's start by opening any video. Now imagine you find a video you really like and you want to save it for later. I will save this one as an example. Tap on the video to open it. Then tap the three dot menu on the video. From the menu select save reel. Here you can also create folder for saved posts, videos and reels. You can even share those folders with your friends. But in my case, I will keep it simple and save it to only me. Now you might be wondering, where can you see the videos you saved? No problem, I will show you. Open the menu again. In the shortcut section, look for the option called saved and tap on it. Next tap on see all. This page shows everything you saved on Facebook. Here you will find all your saved content including posts, reels and videos. Some videos may appear as reels if they were posted in that format, but you will still be able to find them here. You can tap on any video and watch it again whenever you want. From this screen, you can also share the video, remove it from your saved list, or copy the link and send it to someone else. So this section helps you manage all your saved videos and watch them anytime. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to subscribe to AppTap and like the video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.